तो आज के वीडियो में मैं यहाँ पे एकदम अजीब अवतार में इसीलिए हूँ बिकॉज आई एम गोइंग टू बी रिव्यूइंग दिस hair mask that is Juicy Chemistry Organic by Nature Sacha Inchi Organic. Meet my dog Jam, he's struggling to climb on the sofa. So this is Sacha Inchi Argan and Mango Butter Organic Hair Mask, pre-shampoo hair mask for dry and frizzy hair, handcrafted, freshly made. This is from Juicy Chemistry and I got it in this kind of packaging. I'm going to do a first impression kind of because why not? Bottle is like this. इस तरह के अंदर आया था and it's like this. Can you see? Okay, so this is a कांच bottle, glass का bottle है and there is this pump thing here. And the serum looks quite thick. What thick है? So let's read how to use it. Okay, so I have the information here. I bought this from Vanity Wagon, which is a clean beauty brand, which I already did 2 products from there. Janelli from Himalayas. They are face oil. I have shared a detailed review on it. You can click on the I button here. And the second product which I have recently done was from Vilva store, that is the Wild Rose face mask, which was awesome, very nice, cool and refreshing feeling. You must try that. Link is over here, the second video. And now I am trying their hair mask from Juicy Chemistry. So let's check out. I heard from other bloggers about this Juicy Chemistry, so I thought like let's check out 2 products from Juicy Chemistry and I was awaiting products from them but मुझे कल आया है. So one is a hair mask and one is a night cream. Night cream I used it that day, on that night itself. I am using the face mask. Night cream का 2-3 दिन यूज करूँगी. It's only using, you need to use only in the night. Of course it's a night cream. So मैं 3-4 रातें यूज करूँगी, 3-4 nights and then I will share my thoughts on that. First night only I have some mixed feeling. 50-50 hit or miss kind of review है, but I want to give a second chance. Maybe वो second time, third time use करने के बाद change हो जाए. Let's see how to use it. For a great pre-shampoo spa experience right at your home, scoop out a little amount of the mask using Juicy Chemistry squeeze spoon. मुझे spoon तो मिला नहीं. Massage it through scalp and hair gently in the gentle circular motion for 5 minutes. 5 मिनट तक उसको मसाज करना है. Then leave it for 30 minutes. And wash off with one of the Juicy Chemistry's mild organic shampoo. Once towel dried, apply either our leave-in conditioner or serum to lock in the moisture. Okay, so Juicy Chemistry का मेरे पास shampoo नहीं है nor serum है, so I'm going to use what I have. So let's check the texture. And they said बहुत ज़्यादा नहीं लगता है. So this is the texture. Can you see? It's like एक तार वाला, ठीक है. It's oil भी है. So I'm going to take in middle of my fingers because हम लोग को इस तरह से लगाना है. So let's start from the scalp. Take in your palm as well because हम palm से इस तरह से घसते हैं ना और fingers को ये ऐसे करते हैं. So my hair is little long, so I will be taking more.
Oh my God, I don't know how to express. ये feeling मुझे समझ में नहीं आ रही है. मुझे ठंडा ठंडा भी फील हो रहा है, अजीब सा फीलिंग आ रहा है.
I think this is very cool. ठंडा ठंडा फीलिंग मस्त आ रहा है मेरे इस बालों पे. थोड़ा थोड़ा करके लगाओ, बहुत ज्यादा भी लेने की जरूरत नहीं. डोंट नीड टू टेक अ लॉट, जस्ट टेक लिटिल and leave it for 1 hour, they said 1 hour 30 minutes. You can leave it for 30 minutes. So 30 minutes.
मैं तो बर्तन वर्तन धो के फिर नहाने चली जाऊंगी. So I will wash my hair after 30 minutes. कभी-कभी ज़्यादा हो जाता है. If in case किचन में एक बार घुसो you know कुछ ना कुछ आ ही जाता है.
I need to apply more on my scalp. It is very refreshing. बहुत अच्छा minty kind of खुशबू आ रहा है. And I can already feel ठंडा on my head as well. ये लगा के ना आप बहुत अच्छे से सो सकते हो. It's like so nice and cool. And my battery is also low. So I'll wash my hair and I'll come back. Okay, so ignore those remotes guys. And ये है packaging, that is Sacha Inchi Argan and Mango Butter Organic Hair Mask. So while I have applied the hair mask and leaving it for 30 to 1 hour, I'll just show you the close-up bottles. शायद आप लोगों ने कैमरा से देखा नहीं होगा. So this is kind of back bottle. It looks something similar to, I don't remember which Estee Lauder kind of packaging I guess. But it's a nice कांच का bottle, so it's not travel friendly, but you keep it inside some clothes, you can definitely carry. So that's the packaging, and it's cruelty free and vegan, handmade, no synthetic fragrance oil, and GMO free, freshly made, no color added. So now I will show you the expiry date here. See, manufactured date is September 2020, that means this month. And you know what guys, I had placed this order by end of August, और मुझे ये सितंबर के फर्स्ट वीक में ही मिला. बिकॉज इफ़ यू रिमेंबर लास्ट वीडियो ऑफ माइन, उसमें मैंने बताया था मुझे जूसी केमिस्ट्री अभी तक मिला नहीं, और उसी दिन मुझे शाम को मिल गया था. सो दैट मीन्स दे प्रिपेयर्ड दिस हेयर मास्क, you know, it's fresh. So सितंबर में ही बना के वो लोग ने भेजा है मुझे. So that's the reason manufacturing date is September 2020, and use this within 6 months of opening and within 9 months from the date of manufacture. That means September से अगर एक बार खोल दूँगी, I just opened it, so that means 6 months you can use it. So I need to finish it between 6 months and to 9 months. So that is मार्च के 2021 तक ये हेयर मास्क फिनिश करना है. सो दैट्स अ गुड थिंग. आई विल ऑल्सो शेयर इट टू माई हस्बैंड एज वेल. सो तो जल्दी जल्दी ख़त्म हो जाएगा. एंड अभी तो फ़िलहाल मुझे बहुत ठंडा ठंडा फीलिंग आ रहा है. सो आई जस्ट शो यू द टेक्स्चर क्लोज अप. ओके गाइस, सो दिस इज़ द टेक्स्चर. इट्स क्वाइट थिक, कैन यू सी? आई कैनॉट शो विथ वन हैंड. सो या इट्स लाइक दिस. थोड़ा ऑयली भी लग रहा है और क्रीमी, come like serum kind of texture, and the smell of this, the fragrance is there in my whole living room. So it's quite strong. वैसे भी मुझे आधे घंटे तक लगा के धोना है. I'm going to use this, apply this on my head, and I'll just wash my hair, and after 1 hour, 30 minutes to 1 hour, I'll come back. And one more thing guys, before I forget, the price of this was 900, but if you use my code PAMStation15, you will get 20% off on this product or any product which you buy from Vanity Wagon. So I will share the code somewhere on the screen and even in my description box. PAMStation15, you get 20% off. So you can buy so many products. Go ahead and buy it right now. Okay guys, अभी मैंने hair wash तो किया है. I will dry this and I will come back. Okay guys, so my hair is dry, और मैंने blow dryer या any gadgets यूज़ नहीं किया है. It's just normal fan dry and it's very soft right now. और I won't say कि hair fall 100% रुक गया है. It's natural ingredients are there, so obviously it will take time. एक ही मास्क में नहीं रुकता है. So you need to keep applying for a month, and then you can see lot of changes. Hair fall बहुत सारी reasons की वजह से होता है. It can be your food intake, it can be climate, weather change, pollution, water, hard water, tap water, all that stuff. So बहुत सारी reason की वजह से hair fall होता है. So मेरा भी hair fall है. I'm not saying hair fall नहीं है, hair fall सबका होता है. So I will continue using this for a month. and whatever changes happen, if it stopped completely, I will keep you all updated on Instagram. So if you're not following me on my Instagram, my ID is just chill with Pam. And right now I can say that after washing I really don't need to apply a serum, but वहाँ पे लिखा है apply a serum, but I would say मुझे serum की ज़रूरत नहीं है because it's really very soft and the smell it's completely gone. It doesn't I mean, obviously I used my shampoo because of that, because I don't have Juicy Chemistry ka shampoo or serum, so I used Himalaya shampoo, the herbal one, and the serum I am using the Sane Botanica serum. ये दोनों का individual review है मेरे channel पे. You can click on the I button somewhere, or I'll share in my link in my description box. So I hope you like this review, and if you want to try this hair mask, I will share the link in my description box. I think it was 900, but if you use my code PAMStation15, you will get 20% off, and there are so many other products which you can try out, and use my code, you can get 20% off. So thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed, stay happy. Bye bye.